Obwahati ehurregera omuneko rw'omu myanya nka Kiyaga, Borera, Kigando na Nakibasi obw'ekitongore kitari kya gavumenti kya Friends with the Environment and Development kiriyo nikiteekamu omutwe.
Tikirikisaka kuonka nikisobola kunkiza na kifuula kinywani. That's why rundi egini yensonga ekitongole kyange nikiyeta Friends with Environment in Development. Much as we pursue development, we must be friends with the environment. Omuntu industries atakufa environment na atwara development yonka neje kujya hano kisaka kimwe nakwerekeza kuko byona datakubira mugaso.
Robert Kugonza mukuru w'ekitongole eki nagira ngo hansi y'ehurreji abantu nibegese bwahamugasho gw'emiteta ryemwe nemwe otireho na nebishaka ahamagara gabo
nosanga ngo omuntu nayihamu uwe wenka nagamba nsemera kurorera eby'obuhangwa habokuba nebingasira biti gapo egini niye turukweta omurujungu indigenous knowledge rundi amagezi ageby'obuhangwa rundi agobuhangwa okurorera eby'obuhangwa.
Abo muhurreji bakwatanise n'Abaana Community Development Initiative okuruga mu ihanga rya Kenya. Aba bagizireho na nortaya yo mu district ya Kabarole okureba hamiringo eyibakukoresamo kandi bakego ko bakugita obukugu omukorre yabo eyo kume by'obuhangwa.
When we were colonized, we were brought Western education and also the Christian religion. And some of the denominations within the Christian religion, not all, but some were very much against anything traditional because they saw it as a threat to their power within their community.
As the connection between the traditional medicines and environmental conservation, one is that we don't destroy the forest, and when it comes to harvesting of the herbal medicines, you remove a section of it for the future of tomorrow.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ndyamusiimanta.